Hi, Lipia here again, and this week I've been learning another Christmas hymn, Lo, How a Rose E'er Blooming. It's a beautiful German carol, and we're going to be playing in the key of C, and these are the chords you're going to need. Your C major chord, your F major chord, your G major, your A minor, your D minor. You're going to also need D major. You're also going to need E minor. I know quite a few more chords than the usual, but I think it's worthwhile learning these chords. Let's play through the first verse once through. So this hymn is actually in a kind of triple time, but I think because the tempo is rather slow and from a strumming point of view, it's really going to be more like a double time strum. So each chord symbol you see on the song sheet is going to correspond to two strums. So let's work through the first verse slowly. Grab your song sheets, and song sheets available from a link below, and we're going to play through all three verses once through. That was Lo, How a Rose E'er Blooming. It's a beautiful carol. The rhythm is a little bit irregular, there's a bit of syncopation. You do have to kind of practice that slowly and get a feel for it. But again, I'm sure you'll be blessed by this hymn. I'll see you next week.